All right, what's going on? We did not do a stream today. I was too busy to deal with a stream and everything else that was happening in my personal life. So while I was working, I was also looking at the chart and taking some trades. I had an idea over the weekend that I ran for one day on market replay, and that's not enough time to make a decision to change anything with your trading habits or whatever. However, I was too eager to try, so I did it today. On market replay, I was on the 5-second chart and I was just scalping, like in and out, in and out, in and out, averaging in, averaging down, averaging up on the 5-second chart with minis. And when I did it on market replay, it was kind of working. I've been working on this bot lately, so watching the market replay move super quick with that, I was like, I kind of want to try trading like that. So let me drop down to the 5-second and just look for fair value gaps. So I took a TopStep account that I had already that we need to pass within the next week, and decided, let me sacrifice one of those and try trading like that and see if it works. And let me tell you, it kind of worked today. Obviously, this is just one day. I'm not going to start focusing all my attention on this, but it was exciting. I wanted to do it on stream. I just couldn't do it today. So check back tomorrow and maybe we'll stream the strategy there and see if we can have 2 days in a row. But I'm not going to go over all my trades because there was quite a few. But if we just pop over here, I took one in pre-market around 918. I'm like, okay, yeah, I could do this. We had a little fair value gap, so I got in there, averaged in when the market came up, and then got out for plus 65 and plus 35. So like just quick, like $100 at a time. But if we scroll over, we see I just have tons of trades that I was just getting in and out, usually up to 2 minis at a time. And yeah, I kind of worked. This was like one of the longer ones, but I felt pretty confident we were going up. We had all this displacement that we had to go down and trade into. So I probably shouldn't have got in right away. I should have waited for it to trade down in a little more. But oh well, it worked. You can see, I mean, I've got little scalps just everywhere. And then I was done by, by 10:10 right here. And then I didn't take any more trades on that account. And that right there, it's kind of crazy, but that right there was $1,200. 76% win rate. It's not too shabby. When I'm quickly scalping like that, I would prefer a super high win rate. You don't want to deal with like a bunch of losers in a row. It really starts to get to you, especially when they're like little trades. But yeah, kind of went down. The lowest we got was 420. And then I got a little nervous because we got up to 800, and then I took some hefty losses, got back down to like 400, so gave back half of it. However, we climbed right back on out and ended with plus 1,200 on that account. So we only need less than 500 to go. There's the trades. You can see like they're small trades, a couple big losers, but I'm banking on high win rate in and out, 40, 60, 100. Then I had a couple big ones, I think, in here. 345. But yeah, it kind of felt good. I just stuck with the 5 seconds and a 1 minute. That way, the 1 minute helped point out this imbalance. Like it's obviously a huge imbalance on the 5 seconds. But on the 1 minute, it was pretty clear that we were coming back in and trading into it. So that's why I was able to hold on to that one. didn't really worry about anything higher than the 1 minute. I opened the 5 minute, but the 5 minutes today was pretty choppy at open. That looks that looks crazy. Wait, that's really the 5 minute? I thought we traded sideways for a little while at the 5 minute. Yeah. No, that the 1 minute we traded sideways. The 5 minutes. Okay, there it is. That looks better. So yeah, 5 minute, there's like nothing in here. But on the 5 seconds, all these little ups and downs, it's the same thing that happens on a higher time frame on a 1 minute when it's clear. It was happening on the yeah. So takes liquidity, goes after the next volume imbalance or swing, and it just did that. And we'll try this again tomorrow. See if we can't pass this account. Maybe I'll just keep this account as a 5 second. Anyone who hasn't been keeping up with the accounts I have, the account I just showed was a TopStep combine. I stopped trading them for a couple weeks, and then I realized I didn't want to trade my personal account at the moment while I continue working on a bot. I would like to save those funds for bot trading, algo trading, whatever. So I jumped back over to those to try to pass those. I also have a Apex evaluation that I picked up because I forgot about the TopStep. So I bought this one to trade this. It's just a 25K account that I'm just trading 1 to 2 micros. I think today I got into 3 micros, but 1 to 2 micros, aiming for like $75 a day, and then just do it slowly over time. So far, we're doing pretty good. This one, I'm trying to wait until 10. So I did, after I was done with my 5 second scalping on the other ones, get all that out of my system, come over here. It's now past 10. Now I can look for my silver bullet or whatever you want to call it. That's kind of what I'm looking for, but I'm trying to not overthink it. So I did take a loss initially. We had a 1 minute fair value gap. We took out lows back here. We respected this one. We came back into this one. So I bought 2, just aiming for those highs. We started going down, and just with the overall market conditions, I mean, we've just been going down all day, all market, all pre-market, all early morning, all open, pretty much just we're trading sideways. I'm like, this thing is just going to keep going. We had some bigger fair value gaps on higher time frames that we were drawing down into. So I got out for small losses, like $50. So I was down 50, and I reversed my position and was in 2. Immediately, we just kept going down. I added 1 towards the lows, and then I ended up getting out. And sure enough, as soon as I get out, we continue to tank another, what is that, 70 points, 60, 70 points on the candle that I got out on. But it's okay. I went from minus 50 to plus 77, surpassing my goal of 75 a day. That's just not a hard goal. That's just a soft goal. Like if I get anywhere near that, I need to start thinking about ending for the day. That way it doesn't affect me if I get close to it and then take a step back. So those 2 trades on the Apex eval put us up to close to 400 on it within the week. Not too bad. Plus 77.3. First trade was minus 50 after commissions. But then those last 3 contracts on that last trade, less than 10 minutes for that, put me back up to plus 77. I felt pretty comfortable and confident in those moves. I felt fine reversing. I didn't feel like I was chasing anything, just reading the market. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna go break those lows and just keep going. It's time. So yeah, all in all, pretty good day. Just trading those 2 accounts today, and then tomorrow, hopefully we should be back on the normal stream tomorrow, and maybe we'll continue with our 5 second journey because it's pretty exciting. You guys have a great rest of your day. Let me know how you guys did, and see you on Tuesday morning.